What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable two-factor authenticator system into our WordPress website to make the login more secure, and we're gonna keep all things for free. So the two-factor authenticator gonna works like this. Someone to access your site gonna need to receive a code into their email and enter the code to be able to complete the login, okay? Simple, but yet very effective to enhance your site security. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, your browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin or WP login, enter with username or email and password. Then you're going to be able to see a page just like this one. This is your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, next to appearance, and hover, click on submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called search plugins. Click and type really simple security, just like this. Click on install now by really simple plugins. Click on install now, then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, the dashboard. Review these two options. We have dashboard and settings. Move to settings. Now, into this middle sidebar, we have general, SSL, security, vulnerabilities, hardening, login, protection. Here's the guide that we're looking for. Then, two-factor authenticator. Click into right here, into enable. Now, you need to enter what users would like to have this thing enabled. I would like that the contributors, the editors, and the authors have this enabled, okay? You can allow a grace period of 10 days, for example. Now select what kind of users, okay? Author, contributor, editor. So if any kind of users listed into these three attributes, these three user rules, let me save the change. They're gonna be asked to receive a code into their emails and enter the code to be able to log in. This is a free solution, okay? Of course, we need to validate that our site can send emails. You can use SMTP features for this, but there is a complete guide explaining how to do this, okay? It's a really simple solution, okay? All you have to do is move to general and check your email. Let me show you this into another website where I have all set up. Into this menu, go to general, scroll down into email, email address, enter your main website email address, send the verification code, here is the verification code. Email is now verified, okay? Now go back to login protection, two-factor, and right here you can enable email verification for the users you want, okay? Then save the change and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!